Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to work with image files in TwistedBrush. To load a file into TwistedBrush, click on the Load from File as a new image option in the File menu. Select your file and click Open. You can also load your file into a previously selected layer by choosing the Load from File into Layer, Import Layer option in the File menu. If your file is larger than the actual page size, you will be asked if you want the page size to be increased to fit the entire image. TwistedBrush Pro Studio saves your work automatically when you switch pages, change books, or close the program. Your work is also saved at timed intervals with a default of 10 minutes. You can change this setting from the Preferences dialog in the Edit menu. Just enter the desired time in seconds in the Auto Save Seconds field and click OK. Your work is saved to your hard drive into the default TwistedBrush installation folder. By default, this is C, Program Files, Pixarra, TwistedBrush. There, book folders are listed as Book 1, Book 2, etc. where your page is saved into the book it is part of. Files are saved in two formats, the TBR file format, which the native format for TwistedBrush Pro Studio, where all the layer information is saved, and a BMP version of the page is also saved. In addition to the automatic page saving, you can at any time manually save the current page in your book by using the Save Page option in the File menu or the Save icon on the menu bar. TwistedBrush allows you to export your images in a wide range of image formats, such as BMP, GIF, JPEG, PNG, PSD, etc. To export your file, select the Save Image to File, Export Image option in the File menu. Select a location where your file to be saved. Type a name for your project. Select the file type from the list. And click the Save button. In TwistedBrush you can also export a single layer by clicking the Save Single Layer to File, Export Layer option in the File menu. Resizing an image in TwistedBrush is different from adjusting the page size. When you resize an image, you are changing the image data and the page size where it is displayed, and when you adjust the page size, the image data is not changed, just the page size. Also, keep in mind that resizing an image will change the image data on every layer in your page. To resize an image, select the Resize Image option from the Image menu. The current size of your image is displayed on the top of the Resize Image dialog. You can enter the new dimensions for your image below. The Constrain Perspective option, when enabled, will keep the aspect ratio the same. If you want to distort your image, this option can be unchecked. From the drop-down menu below, you can select the resizing method to use. The default, Launch 3, will almost always give the best results. Click the Preview button to see the result prior to making them final. Click OK to perform the resize. TwistedBrush Pro Studio is able to read many camera RAW files. These are files that many mid to high-end digital cameras support, where the data straight from the camera sensor is saved to a file without any in-camera image processing. This gives the most control if you are doing photo image processing. Be aware that in most cases you will need to apply filters to have usable results from a RAW file. To load the camera RAW file into TwistedBrush, select the Load Camera RAW File as New Image from the File menu.